Life can be full of surprises, but your dentures shouldn't be one of them. C-Bond helps you feel confident in your dentures by holding your uniquely sized dentures securely in place. In fact, C-Bond is proven to hold stronger all day versus the leading paste. It's easy, clean, and quick. First, place the dry C-Bond seal onto clean denture. Trim any overlap with scissors. If the seal bunches in the back of the upper denture, cut a second V to help it fit. Once the size is right, use this as your template to cut more seals. By planning ahead and trimming several seals at one time, you can make your morning denture routine fast and easy. Second, lightly moisten seal with water. Place moistened seal on denture, white side up, pink side down. Tap seal into place with your finger. Next, place the dentures into your mouth and bite down evenly until secure. At the end of your day, removing C-Bond from your denture is easy. Simply lift the corner and peel away. The easy removal of C-Bond is unlike denture pastes, which can stick to gums and require time-consuming cleaning. Dentures shouldn't be a source of worry. Go wild with wildly adhesive C-Bond.